On top with tori for today, Presido Muhammadu Buhari don give Ogbonge Informate unto how im administration dey fight security katakata. Nigeria Presido Muhammadu Buhari don tok say dem don change the face of Nigerian Police Force as dem repackage am with ogbonge technology wey go fit answer all the security matter wey Naija dey face. Presido receive traditional rulers from north, the one wey Alhaji Muhammad Abubakar carry come presidential villa for Abuja. E tell dem say the devil wey dey shele for police na say dem wan put more people for police force as dem go begin work with traditional rulers, communities and give the police dem ogbonge training. Presido Buhari come explain say why dem tanda Ministry of Police Affairs na sake of say dem wan put ogbonge idea wey go help people life and property dey well for the country, as this one go waka well with the kind police force wey Naija dey build now. E tok say im meet with the traditional rulers to see say dem go know say the government wey dem dey get e ready gidigba to fight security katakata for Naija, and this meeting na to make dem sabi say dem need work with royal fathers dem to take win the security fight so for the country. Buhari yarn say to fight the security katakata, everybody for Naija need throway body put, as traditional rulers dem for the country and the communities dem na dem sabi wetin the people want. E come tell dem say make the traditional rulers dem support all the security agencies with ogbonge informate unto wetin dey shele for their community and the life of the people wey tanda put for there. E tok say all the policies and programs wey dey ground na to tanda security well, as dem dey work with state government to see say dem tanda better things for police force, and na dis one make dem put for ground Ministry of Police Affairs. Buhari explain give dem say when im begin meeting with traditional rulers from southwest, e tell dem say im don give order make federal authorities make dem approve license of state, the one wey go allow dem begin dey use drone to sabi wetin dey happen for highways, as CCTV sef go dey the highways wey be say dem go take sabi where the criminals dem dey do all their plans to scatter security matter for the country. Sultan of Sokoto come salute Presido Buhari unto the work wey e dey do and tell am say dem as traditional rulers dem ready support am well to see say Naija matter e waka well. E salute Governor Bello Matawale, the one wey be governor of Zamfara State, unto the ogbonge work wey e dey do for the state, sake of say peace don tanda gidigba put for Zamfara since the governor sidon gidigba as the governor of the state. Sultan come still tell Presido say make e put body well for the work wey National Drug Law Enforcement Agency (NDLEA) dey do to see say drug matter for the country waka well, and anybody wey put hand for inside how drug matter take dey go, e go face wetin oyinbo dey call justice, and dem no go waka free, as this one e no follow Naija constitution. Na here we see the better informate reach on top with tori for today, as President Muhammadu Buhari don yarn give traditional rulers unto the plans wey im administration dey do to fight security katakata for the country. Make una no forget say dis ogbonge informate so on top with tori for today na T Live Media na im bring am come gidigba come put for una. And to continue to dey get this correct and clear informate as e dey happen for Nigeria and for everywhere for the world, make una no forget to follow, comment and subscribe for our YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now if you still follow us, waka enter Facebook to follow and like our page for T Live Media. Our website sidon gidigba for www.tlivemedia.com. Make una follow am to get ogbonge tori as e dey hot.